Hello everyone, welcome to Edupedia World Videos. We are learning PowerPoint and my name is Neeru Verma. Topic for today's session is working with the charts. We learn how to create and how to modify the charts in this session. Starting with the introduction. Chart is a tool that you can use to communicate your data graphically. Then displaying the chart in a PowerPoint allows your audience to see the meaning behind the numbers, and it makes showing comparisons and trends much easier. A chart can help you show your audience what your data means and why it's important. They can add visual interest to the slideshow that are otherwise filled with text. It shows the comparisons and the numbers and the trends in a very easy way. Then moving forward, we'll discuss about type of charts. If we talk about type of charts, let me show you what does that mean. In the Insert tab under Illustration group, you have got the option Chart. Once you click here, it gives you a list. These are the type of charts here. In the left hand side you can see the columns, then you can see the lines, pie chart, bar chart. You have a list here that what kind of chart, what type of chart you want to insert in your slide. Do you want to show the column comparisons, the bar comparisons, or do you want to create a pie chart where you can show the different sections, the percentages wise. You have a lot of options available here like the area, then surface, bubbles, radar. You have a list here. You can scroll with your mouse and you can see that in which way you want to represent your data best. Okay, so these are the type of charts available. Then discussing about the course goal, we'll study in this session about inserting a chart. How to insert a chart, how to enter the chart data, and how to copy and paste the existing Excel data. Then we'll discuss about importing a chart from the Excel. We'll discuss about modifying the chart with the chart tools, how to change the chart type, how to switch between the rows and columns, and to change the chart layout. We'll discuss about changing the chart style as well. So, proceeding with the inserting the charts, let's insert a new slide first. If you want to insert the chart, then one option is that either you can click on insert, you click on the chart option here, and you can select from this list that what kind of chart you're looking for. The other option would be that you have the placeholder here. On the slide, you can get a placeholder. You can double click here and you'll get the same kind of dialog box. Now you can choose what kind of chart you're looking for. Let's say we select this one. Click on this and now click on OK. A chart will be inserted here. Now you can see that there are two sections here. One is the Excel file, an automatic Excel file has been opened up, and the other is your slide, the PowerPoint where you was working. Actually, PowerPoint uses an Excel worksheet as a placeholder for entering the chart data. So whenever you insert or edit a chart in the PowerPoint, an Excel window will automatically open up. Now this is how you can enter a chart on the slide. The next thing we'll discuss about to enter the chart data. Now how do we enter the chart data? Here you can see certain categories and series also. You need to enter your data here. Now suppose you want only two categories. Now these are the categories and series. You can resize that as well. Suppose you want to show now what we have done, instead of taking the 3 series, we took 2 series. And if you minimize the category also, like we have 4 categories to compare now, you can place your cursor here and like this way. Now we are showing the 3 categories. You can see a blue line here, a vertical and a horizontal. So this is your data range. We can select the data range. If you want to minimize the number of the comparisons, means the series and categories, you can adjust this blue line, the data range, accordingly. Now once you have entered all the data, the comparisons you have done, now you can close the Excel sheet. There is no need to save this Excel file. This is a automatic generation. This has been saved in the background. Once you want to edit it, we need to reopen that. PowerPoint chart that will update to reflect the new source data. That is the source data that we have saved right now. And you can edit the chart data at any time by selecting your chart and clicking on the edit data command in the data group on. I'll show you where it is. This is your chart tool. Now in the chart tool design tab, click here. You have an option available here, edit data. You can click here and you will get the same file once again. All the data that you have put in, that the PowerPoint has been displaying, it is saved as a Excel placeholder. So this is how you can get the data, and you can modify and you can edit that. Now we have studied about how to insert a chart in the presentation and how to enter the chart data also. Now we'll discuss about copying and pasting the existing Excel data. We have an Excel file here. Let's say we have some days here. Days. And then let's say we are comparing the temperature. Morning and temperature evening. For the morning, let's say assume data, and for the evening if we say 27. So this is the data we have. Now suppose if you want to copy and paste the data here, you have to select the chart. Now in the design tab, edit chart data, you have got the series here, and we have got a file too, this one. Copy and here you can copy and paste the data here. That's it. Now you can close this. Close the other sheet also. That was the one that we have created. Alright, so we have got the new data here. So now you have seen that how we can copy and paste the existing Excel data to the placeholder, to the slide we have in the PowerPoint. So that was it. We have discussed about inserting a chart, entering the chart data, and copying and pasting the existing Excel data. In the next session, we'll discuss about importing a chart from the Excel and rest of the operation. That was it for today's session. Thanks everyone. Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos.